Hey guys.
This is us from the future. The video that you will watch today was filmed
5-6 weeks ago.
Yeah, more than a month ago, guys. Yeah. So that was before we announced the pregnancy, but we already knew that we were pregnant then.
So this is like just a disclaimer, just to say not all the clothes we chose Raz tried on, because you could tell in the clothing that she was pregnant, so we didn't show all of them. No. So, some were quite obvious actually.
Yeah, they are.
They're nice clothes though, but we just couldn't show them all.
Yeah, just to let you guys know, it was filmed before we announced the pregnancy. That's why I'm like doing my best to suck it in.
Sucking it in.
Yeah. What was the baby like then?
She was breathing in a lot.
Yeah, that's all. I hope you guys enjoy the video. All the stuff are from YesStyle. I'll leave the link below.
Thank you, YesStyle.
Hello, guys.
Hello, people.
We're home together.
Also, we're in lockdown.
We will be doing
I try and Rhazel's clothes.
Singing.
I chose Rhazel's clothes from YesStyle video.
Yeah, so he has been like telling me, oh, I should choose your clothes. I choose way better clothes than you. I have way better style than you.
Keep in mind, these aren't the ones I wanted. We couldn't get all of them, so a lot of these wouldn't be my first choice.
Kasi marami siyang gusto, pero the shipping is 7 to 14 days or worse 21 days. I told him to choose the stuff that ships within 24 hours para ma-receive namin siya right away. Thank you very much, YesStyle. So, alam niyo na, buwan-buwan meron silang voucher na binibigay sa akin para makapili ako ng mga damit or kung ano sa website. I will leave the link of YesStyle sa description box. They have skincare, makeup, clothes. I usually get my clothes from YesStyle. So kapag nag-OOTD ako, lagi akong may YesStyle sa suot ko because most of my clothes are from YesStyle. And they have good clothes as well. So, yeah.
Alright, let's get started.
Yep. So, ito mga pili ni Dan, ha? Hindi ko alam to, hindi ko pa to nakita.
This is a red dress. This is probably one that I would have liked. This probably was one of my first choices, I'd say. This is cute. That's a nice red. It's a nice, let's see.
Gusto niyo yung mga red? You like red?
I like red.
This is size small.
We're gonna suck in your belly.
Yeah. Oh no.
Okay. Looks good.
Does it look good?
It looks good.
It fits me.
Let's see the back. Looks good. No, it's a good. It's actually a nice dress, mother. That's like a nice summer dress.
It is summer dress. It's too tight for a summer dress. It's not tight. It actually fits really well.
It's a dress. It does.
I just don't like that it's like very fitted. Like you can see my
It looks good.
belly.
Yes, it looks
but
good.
I like that it has this like thing going on. Yeah, ruffles. Wow. Ruffles. It fits me. I thought it's gonna be big.
Yeah, no, it looks good, my love.
Uy, tumataba na tayo ako, guys.
It's a nice summer dress.
Okay.
I like it.
So you approve?
I approve that one. I prefer to wear clothes like that than the clothes you wear.
Ayun yung mga sinusuot ko.
That looks more ladylike. Alright, the next one. But that's a good one. 7.5 out of 10.
Oh, nag-rate pa.
Is this one?
I don't know.
Black beanie?
Did you order this?
I ordered this.
Then it's yours.
This is for the football that's been cancelled for the year, so...
Yeah. So again, we placed this order even before, like, you know, in-announce nila na hindi na pwede manood ng footy. So, that's too small. You look like a balut.
You're a penis.
Do you want me to edit that out? Not really.
No, I don't care. So...
Hindi ako komportable sa suot ko, babe.
Alright.
Nakita niyo ba ito? Meron din siyang ganito dito. Okay, next.
Next one. I can't remember this one. Feels different, the material, actually. I don't know.
What's this? A top? A dress! Another fitted dress.
Wow.
Uy, I don't like that print.
You don't like the print?
Actually, I don't like the print. The tela.
Try this one. This is very different. This is not something you'd normally wear.
Yeah, look at the fabric though. Look at that, guys. Para siyang, it's like jersey material.
It is.
Yeah.
Wow.
You know what? Maybe it will look good.
Maybe.
Maybe.
We'll find out.
All these tight clothes, babe.
Yeah, suck this one in as well.
So
This looks stupid. This one looks so stupid.
Does it? Oh, they can see my bra.
That's alright, suck it in. Yeah.
No way, no, babe. No, it's too short.
Nah, it's okay.
I don't like.
This is one of my favourite dresses.
He said it looks stupid. Nah, here it's so open.
We've got it open here, we've got it short here.
Yeah, too much.
So we'll give this one a 10 out of 10. Nah, look, I'm not loving this one, to be honest with you.
Open here,
Open here,
10
open
out of
there, 10 out of 10. Nah, I'm not loving it.
Yeah, no, too short, babe.
Yeah, too short.
Yeah.
Nah, it's not too short, it's
And
just...
look at this material.
I'm not loving the material, actually.
Yeah,
Material feels a bit weird.
yeah. Okay,
Yeah, no, I'm not
next.
loving it. We'll give that one a 4-ish.
Oh my gosh, babe.
Four-ish.
Uy, ang sikip nito, ha?
All these ones we chose are a little bit different. This is not,
What's this, Danny boy?
I don't even know what this is. This is like,
Do you want me to dance?
yeah. This one's cool.
Okay, where will I wear that?
I was going to take you out dancing. Come on. Try that on.
Look at these guys.
Yeah, that's a fun one. Da-da-da-da. Lyra. Message.
It hits below my knees.
It's actually...
What? Nah. What? See? See?
It doesn't suit you, but I like
It
it.
will suit the right girl.
If you're blonde and tall,
Do you like this? It's fun, isn't it?
I don't know, it's different.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if I like this one even on any girl. I don't know.
This is different, guys. I think this is like a special occasion.
Maybe it was probably a bit shorter.
Yeah. See?
So make it shorter, lift it up a bit.
I did already, babe.
Higher.
No, that's too short.
No, that's right. That's right. If it's like that, that's cool.
Wait,
Then it's like a party dress, and then you know. strip it on.
Wow.
And that looks better.
Cinch it in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then this was a bit bigger here, so push that out there. Better. But yeah, it doesn't fit you.
I don't like
Alright.
this.
Alright, let's go on to the next one. Alright, the next one is a black and white special. This is called a zebra dress.
What?
Ooh, Jesus Christ, look how small these are. This is like, look at how small it is. Like seriously, it's like a doll. Like for me, it's like an apron. Seriously, if I do this, I could wear it like to not eat. Look at that. This is a little one, but.
Oh my god, it's cute.
You like it?
Yeah. For
Yeah.
like a pretty dress.
Yeah.
Oh,
That'll work.
cute.
Yeah, that'll work. Okay, that one to the side as well.
Aww, he's so cute.
Jeez, baby, you're really starting to show.
Yeah.
What the hell is this one?
What the hell?
Wow. We've got some chains here. This is like a...
You dropped something there?
I don't even know what I dropped. I don't know what that is. This is weird. Alright, this is different. I don't think you're gonna like this.
I don't like it at all. Looking at it already, I don't like
Try
it.
this one on. So
There's no inner? That's it? I'm gonna... That's it?
That's it.
Okay, see?
Sort it out and... I guess.
Oh gosh, that's
Yeah.
so easy to babe, open.
I don't know, I dropped this little
This is
thing.
not secure at all. Would you seriously allow me to wear this?
Why not?
Why did you pick this? You like it?
I like it.
Rated SPG, babe.
SPG, okay.
Do you know what that is?
SPG?
Yeah?
What does that stand for?
Rated SPG.
We just got PG.
Parental guidance.
The parental guidance.
Strict parental guidance, I think is S.
Is it?
I think so.
Are you sure?
I think it is strict.
Yeah, don't look stupid, do you, if you get it wrong? Yeah.
Oh, they will tell me for sure.
Tell her if she's stupid and got it wrong.
I think I'm right. I think it's strict.
What the hell is this one? This one can fit me.
Oh, I like this one!
Of course you would.
Did you choose this?
Probably not. I don't like it.
No, I didn't choose anything. I like this, babe. Good job. This is my kind of dress.
You chose
Flowy. I didn't choose anything.
Look how big it is.
That's not big.
It fits me. Look at that.
Try it on. Try it on. Try it on, Daddy.
Alright, let's try this on.
With the sleeves, don't break it. How I want to wear this dress. Wait, where are you?
I'm here.
There you go. Wow, Lord.
Told you it fits me. Look at it. I look like a wanker. Look how stupid I look.
You look so good.
It's like a painting mop. I'm not going to stand.
It looks like a lab gown. Like the gowns that you use in the hospital.
Hey, look how big it is.
I'll try it on. I like this. I like this kind of dresses.
Look at it.
Oh my gosh, it fits you.
It fits me perfectly. It's like a perfect fit.
It fits you like a glove.
I can wear this to the pub when it opens in a year's time.
Okay. Do you want me to try this on?
Try it on. If it fits me, it won't fit you. Seriously.
No, that's the style. It is like a...
That's the style, that's
what
the
do you
chakra
call
style.
this? Baby doll dress? I think that's what they call it.
Okay.
I don't like this black chain at the bottom. Ha! Love it!
Are you serious?
I don't mind it.
Why you got bad taste?
Babe, you chose this!
I did not choose that.
Yes, you did!
Seriously.
You chose all the stuff in this order.
Do you like that?
Yeah.
You like that?
I'm not sure actually. It's not bad. Maybe if it's not long sleeve, it will work. Ano lang siya, it's too much because it has long sleeves. But I don't, if it's short sleeve, then I think it's better if it's, see, short sleeve? Look. No? Okay. I like it. See, I can breathe freely. I can breathe freely, babe. It's not too long either. It hits like on my knees.
Alright, we'll call this one another fail. Okay. We're gonna bucket load of clothes. Let's
bucket load?
A box load of clothes.
See, go.
A little black dress, this one. I can tell.
Oh!
A longish one.
Oh, nice.
Nice?
Yeah, I like long dresses.
Try this one on. This is a nice long black dress. Okay. Very different variety we chose, isn't it?
Yeah.
I chose, yeah.
Yeah.
The very
chain.
The chain. Chain's my favourite.
Seriously, who chooses a chain dress?
Chain's gonna come back in fashion.
Oh.
And you're just ahead of the fashion, so you'll thank me for it. I'm serious. No one wears capes these days. You gotta stop wearing capes. And clothes that are 5 times cheaper.
They're called cardigan. It's not a cape. It's a cardigan.
They're chukka cardigans. Do you like this dress?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is like a long black one with a slit on the leg.
Oh, there's a slit.
Wow. So this is like, sexy time.
Sexy time?
Sexy
The
time.
back?
This is Rachel's tattoo we put on the other.
Oh! Yeah.
It's still there. It'll fade away. You're wondering what that is? An old tattoo.
Yeah. This is like tight fitting as well, but because it's black and it's not short, it's fine. I'm not gonna wear it on a daily basis, but
yeah, it's okay.
It's not bad.
Exactly. That's probably how to describe it. It's not bad.
Yeah.
So yeah, no, it's probably too long for my style, for my liking.
But it's got a slit.
Still a little too long.
Okay.
All right, next one we go white. Did you choose this?
Don't I have this one already?
This one's a little white long sleeve one. How embarrassing.
It didn't zip all the way down.
I know, seriously. Look like an art student.
Oh, what?
Art student.
Art student.
I never know what you look like actually.
This looks different.
Yeah, this is
Careful,
different.
baby.
Watch out for your hair. This is different.
What is going on? I don't like this, babe. See? Maybe like that. There you go.
That's right. That's what I was thinking. Told ya.
You said you didn't pick this one.
No, I remember it now. Off the shoulder. Off the shoulder.
Off the shoulder.
This is like a nice...
What?
Like a country club dress.
Country club? We never go to the country club.
I don't think we have a country club yet.
Okay.
But it's just that white.
Because it's
like it's. I don't know. I don't mind this actually.
I like white.
Even like to go to a winery if they were open. Well, they're not open, they're all closed. Everything's closed. It's not that bad actually.
Not bad.
A little bit different. I actually don't mind it.
Yeah, it's good actually. Good job.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Do you like it?
I don't mind it. I'll probably get used to it. And it is a dress.
That's a dress, Danny boy?
Yeah.
Aww, that's nice though. It's not.
Look at these like spaghetti straps.
Yeah.
They look like I don't know my clothes. Look how happy they are.
It's stretchy as well.
Yeah, I actually like that. Try that on.
Yeah, that's a nice velvet. It's velvet. Oh, very nice. I like that material. Is it black?
Yeah, that's black. Yeah, no, it's blue. Oh, that's cute.
Is it cute?
That's cute. That's a nice dress. Is there a zip at the back or anything? Or?
No, there's no zip.
No, that's nice. I like that. This is like a nice dress. This is.
Look at the back line.
Yeah, that's
Very
a good.
sexy.
That's a good one.
Ay.
What do you mean, eh?
My bro,
Who cares? Yeah, just.
Don't wear a bra. What are you doing?
There we go.
No, just put it out. Put it
I'm
out.
almost there. There we go. Done. That was free hook one as well. That was pretty good. That was a bad one for him.
Pinagmamalaki niya na, uy, makakatanggal ako ng bra isang
That was a free hook. It was like that fixed. I wasn't like
So what?
The two hook one I can do like that. The free hook one I do like that and like that again. Anyway, do you like this one?
Back to the dress. It's not bad.
I like
it's
it.
tight fitting here.
I think it's nice. This is
Lemon?
lemons. It's a belt.
Oh,
Are you sure you didn't choose this one?
I don't know. Was it already in my cart?
I don't know.
I like this though.
It's see-through though. Yeah.
It's okay. Okay, we need to put my bra back on. Alright, cool. I like that one.
Is that pajamas?
No.
That must be pajamas.
It's too big. No, if it fits the...
I like the design. I like the little lemons. I reckon it's cute.
Yeah, the lemons are cute. It doesn't fit me, guys. Not for me.
Why not too big?
Too big, too big. I'll give this to Mom.
Alright, there you go, Mum.
This is yours, Mommy.
It's in the mail. Ooh. I think I remember this one. Bit of padding. Bit
Where
of
are we
padding.
going, babe?
This is...
Ah, pants, wide leg, pants. Oh, nice.
Okay, this is a bit different. Try it on. There's a bit of padding where the boobs go. So you'll be able to fill it out now. What an answer.
You're so cute when you smile like that. Natatakot ako kapag sinizip niya.
Actually, that looks good.
Does it?
Actually, that looks good.
Hello guys,
If
where are
Chris-
we going? Can you take me to
If
dinner?
Christina was getting married, that would be you could get away with that dress.
It's really long.
Actually, I like
But
that.
it's not too long. Tama lang. Yeah.
Well, let's try and do one more before the battery goes flat.
Sige, go.
Oh, this is a jacket. Just keep that on. Just show me your jacket.
Hello!
Oh, is it a jacket? No, it's a pet.
You like skirts?
That's right.
Oi, nice choice. Huh? It's not too long.
Not too long.
Yeah.
That's not bad. You like that sort of stuff.
It doesn't have a shape here though. It goes zoom. Oh my gosh. Is it too tight?
Yeah.
Oh, guys.
That looks good though, the black and skirt combo.
Yeah, but it's too tight.
That's
though.
alright. That's alright. Don't know. Chuck the jacket on. Let's see the whole outfit. Well, model the skirt first. Alright, now we do this.
No, the back. Look at the back. We can see my
You
butthole.
can't see your butthole.
You see head? Oi, where are we going? Are we going to...
That looks good, actually.
If the skirt fits.
Yeah, that looks good.
You know what? I think this is because
That's when you gotta wear skirts and like mix up a bit. You don't mix up your clothes enough like that. That looks good.
Yeah.
That look good?
Yeah, it looks good.
That looks good.
Yeah. Our battery's dying. Thank you, babe.
No, that's alright.
Thank you, guys. Anyway, that's it for this vlog.
Thanks guys for watching.
Please like, please subscribe. I hope to see you guys soon. Be good.
See you later, guys.
Bye. We made it.
Mwah.
It's gonna die.